have 54.
Wait, I'm teleporting around.
Yeah, no, you're good now. You're good now.
Okay.
Oh, and I need to split.
How many arrows?
I have 54 arrows.
Oh, okay. Take half my extra stack.
Okay, so
When the organizer doesn't have meetup chords.
Heroes. Sonic Heroes.
Alright.
Theo. Bro. Oh.
Okay.
1800. Oh, wow. We were lit. Oh,
we
no, we
were
weren't.
not
This
near
way.
this. We're actually almost at border. There is a dieter nearby if we want to just camp him out. But,
No.
yeah, I don't really want to either. He has flamebow, and it's kind of annoying.
Because I can't really bow is the issue. I've got a right-click issue on my mouse, so I can barely right-click.
What?
So.
What?
Yeah.
Buy a new mouse?
Nah, CBA. That's a waste of money.
Yep.
Sorry, by the way, I went the wrong way.
Yeah.
Sonic Heroes. You just picked up my rubbish.
It's okay. It's only coal. I needed
Can I
it.
punch you, by the way?
No. Actually. No.
Why are you going that way?
Because...
We need to find mobs, because I literally have 8 chicken. That is
Oh,
my
here,
food.
take food. I have 15. Come back.
Sheesh. Heroes. Oh, there's a crafting table here. I assume this was yours, though.
Yes, that was.
This way, by the way.
I know, but we can...
What are you doing?
I'm not trying to go walk straight to 0-0 first.
Yes, that's the whole point of meetup, bro.
You're crazy.
That's the whole point of
You're
meetup.
nuts.
That's
You're
the
nuts.
entire purpose is
You're
that everyone
nuts.
goes straight
You're
to
nuts.
0-0.
You're nuts. You're nuts. You're nuts. We have to walk straight into Djo and Vetmeyer, and we were both gonna cry.
You can go around 100.
That's what I would. Yeah,
like,
that's what I was.
Yeah, but you have to like calculate it perfectly. Like,
Don't want to be at 1800.
we just get to neg 3,400 and then walk around. Boom, done.
We're really wanting to walk into motherfucking.
I forgot the resource pack existed.
Yeah, me too. Honestly, isn't that where we started?
Yeah, I think it is. No, we started in Savannah.
You're fucking kidding me.
What?
I lost Iron Man from taking fall damage when I was in a water bucket. This sucks.
Oh, rip dieter.
When you're Djo and Vet,
How'd you know?
press tab. Oh, speaking of,
Oh.
Djo's 3/4.
They run away.
We run away? Okay.
All I'm saying is I have my knockback 5 sword, so we just go on the cliff.
Whee! I'm just gonna go the other way. Nope, I've ditched you. I'm going around the hill.
That's fine. You have speed 2.
Speed 5, actually. You know, they're definitely going for you.
Yep.
I'll meet you on top of the hill.
With you. Bum, 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 bum. Look
Run-
out. Bum,
Run
bum,
west, run west.
I'm running east, bro.
What? Oh, okay.
I can't run west. He's literally cut me off from you.
Okay, do you want me to come through to you, or...?
It's probably not a good idea. It's Maya, but oh well.
If it's
The other guy could be on you, by the way, because I only saw
unlikely. Unlikely. No, Joe is not. They're both, in fact, chasing you.
Well, I only see one.
Like, only one's on. I'm lagging. I think.
Yeah, no, they're both there.
Yeah. Should I come help you? What's the...
Should I axe? I don't know. They're just gonna try and keep cutting me off, so I will just run to the border if I really have to.
Nah, don't do that. It's cringe. I mean, you could try and strength drop Vet.
What kit is that?
I can tell you. He's jump boost 2 Peach. Oh, yeah, no. He's upon hitting bow shot, 50% chance to get punch 2. So you want to melee Vet, because if you kill Vet, then Djo can't get healed.
Yeah, they just keep chasing me, even though they're literally like as far out of render distance as you can be.
I don't even know where you are.
I don't know why they're still chasing me. Yeah, I'm just running.
Okay.
I'm actually pretty much at. I'm at 2,200, neg 3,600.
Okay. So you're that way. I'll let you live your life.
There's a chance, cause there is no circle. Oh my god, he's there, bro.
It's okay, crit him out. Use the axe.
He's still a mile away. It's just that he still sees me, which is an issue.
It's okay. It's okay. We're vibing. We're chilling. Pimp chimping. I'm running around a surface with diamond boots only. We're chilling though. It's okay. You've got motherfucking...
They're probably gonna just try and cut me off, which is a big issue.
Ooh,
What's Thingy's kit? What's DJ whatever kit?
Dejo? I don't remember.
That's one. We'll check.
I'm near Tanner. Are you joking? SSB
Yeah, we're kind of
class,
screwed.
Dejo.
I
Oh
found
yeah,
a
no.
village.
He has Lucas.
Which is Lucas.
Lucas he gets the snowball thing.
Okay, that's not great. So
Yeah, no, it's awful. That's
they
a good
might
thing.
have lost me. Oh no, I still see him.
Is it just DJ chasing? Because I saw
Bro,
that.
I don't know. It's just literally one guy chasing. Oh no, they're both there.
Okay, I was gonna say, yeah, if there's one guy going on him.
Imagine chasing someone for so long. It's cringe.
Eh.
I literally have nothing to provide them as well. Like they both have.
Do they both have pants? Okay.
I think so.
F5.
I can't. They're literally 10 miles away, but they're still chasing, which is the irritating thing. Like they're literally so far away, yet they're still attempting. And also, my food isn't eating properly because of my right click issue, which might be my demise, which would be really funny.
That would be funny.
And like when they get close, I'm gonna use my axe, and it's gonna give me poison or slowness. That's why I've not used my axe yet.
They're near
while
me
it could
again?
give me speed 2, it could also give me
What are your chords now?
1850 neg 3 800.
Okay, I was wondering why I had both their hat layers again.
Oh wait, really?
Yeah. You're pretty close to me. I'm just gonna let you get chased. Yeah, I am south.
Yeah, no, I don't blame you. So,
we could run them into Tanner. Tanner's nearby.
Bro, they're still chasing me.
Wait, no, we can run them into Tanner's team. We can run them into Tanner's team.
I see 2 people fighting.
Oh, where? Wait, TL? Who is it?
I don't know.
Well,
they're like also 10 miles away.
That helps us.
Bro,
0.
I see 2 teams actually.
Oh, wait, I think I see you. You know, I see somebody with a red cape.
Yeah, that's the people fighting.
And I see
orange.
I saw somebody with... I think that was Pelly hiding in a tree.
Bro, this guy's still chasing me. I'm gonna have to run him into orange team because he's on his own.
Orange team?
No, it's him! No, it's me or him! Bro! Why is she not noticing?
I think... It's Vassell, to be fair.
Bro, neither of them are noticing!
Vassel's on 44.
No, it's me!
Don't drop with healing, I'm begging.
No, it's me! No, it's me! Ah!
What's that? That's Pelly. I see Pelly.
Bro, this is so cringe!
It's okay. No, it's okay.
Bro, I've been slowed, so I'm kind of.
Oh, you're fine. It's alright. Use the hammer. Use the hammer.
I did.
If you can strength 2 quick drop somebody.
This is really cool.
You just keep eating gaps. It's alright.
Bro, I can't believe they both literally just let them run past like that. I actually can't believe
they're in a fight, so they want to clean you. Also, they can't really afford to take it considering they're both dead. Yeah, I see Pelly. He's running around with half diamond.
Yep, well, Pelly ran into the forest, which is where around I was.
Well, if it makes you feel any better, I'm full tier 2 almost. Smile. That still hit the ground too hard. Who was that to?
To blue team probably. Man.
To blue team? Is that who they're fighting?
Yeah, probably. And I got shot.
I'm looking for Ulti and Saya.
Man. I won't mind, but I swear I literally have nothing to give.
Gabby's getting drops? I see a full diamond. Who is that? It's Tanner. Tanner's full diamond.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Holy shit. Pelly's, no, because Pelly's not even full diamond. It's alright, it's alright. Just keep running. You're 28. Oh, uh-oh. Who's that? That is Slime. What? That's Slime Brother. Pelly's did the 4-eye. Damn it. Some Pelly could kill Tanner, but no. Who is this white person over here? Is that Adonis?
This is really cool. I don't know why they chased me, bro. You were right next to them. Why did they chase me?
You're better than me.
No, but like they didn't even know. Like I was 10 miles away. I could have been anyone.
That's fair. I don't know.
I need to get to a hill or
Think they
plains.
saw It's Eagles Piggles were like, oh shit, he's better, kill him.
No, they didn't see my name though. That's the thing. And this guy's caught up to me, man.
They might have speed? I
Bro,
don't think so though.
it's
31.
not
Stay
like
out
10
of.
miles away.
Nice. You do have, yeah, I was gonna say, you used the knockback sword. I'm gonna try and avoid Tanner, because he's better than me and it's full diamond.
I got speed, thank God.
Alright, good, good.
What do you mean?
Did he catch up to you again?
Bro.
Have you eaten your gamps?
No.
Okay. You should, if you can, you should, but.
How would he catch
Vet's on
up? I have
39.
speed too.
Vet, you almost killed Vet.
I didn't do anything to that.
Oh, well, he got backstabbed then.
Why is he still chasing me?
It's okay, just get away. What are your chords?
1850. Neg 4000.
1850, Nick. 4,000? Holy shit.
He's been chasing me for years, bro.
Yeah, I'll be real, I literally cannot get to you.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, no, you're straight through Tanner, and I can't fight Tanner.
I got a decent amount of distance from my speed too, though, which is huge.
There's a
Oh my
shooting
God.
star there.
Hopefully Daito got... Oh, yeah,
So I
Daito
just
got
said
that fight.
Slime. I could go fight Slime. Wherever that is. Please.
Bro, my guy's still chasing me, by the way.
There's Adonis. Adonis is One Piece.
What Q is Dijo again?
Was who? Dijo is nothing strong. He's Lucas. He gives you slowness with the snowballs if he hits them.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, Saya's team and Adonis's team are fighting. I'll let those two fight. I'm not gonna help them or intervene with that.
You missed a snowball.
Ah, I'm not fighting you, Tanner. It's not going to.
I got poison. Sick. I'm super
Oh,
dead.
am I getting?
Yeah, my guy just takes node in the KB.
Ah, that's unfortunate.
Sick. Well, bye.
It's alright. You went robot mode. It's okay. This be interesting. Need to fight Slime. If I can fight Slime, let Tanner fight Joe's team. Hopefully Slime's out of healing. Chasmic's fucking dead. Saya's turn. It's unfortunate. There's no way Tanner's still bestie, no. I'm gonna keep running from you. I'm gonna go find the Slime Brother and fight him. Where's Adonis? Adonis is dead to the Slime Brother. No. I'm not gonna fight you, Tanner. I'm simply just going to run away. I'm simply just going to not fight you. And you can fight somebody else. Goodbye. Literally fight anyone else. Bye. Oh, Fire Aspect 1. Okay. I'm gonna sit back for a second because I can't do anything anyway. There they are. I really hope they don't pop up behind me. That would not be very poggers. Oh, you're joking, man. Oh, wait, that's slime. I can fight slime. I'm lagging. Surely they don't intervene with me in slime's 1v1, right? Ah, frame lag is pain. On cooldown. I'm lagging. Get it back up. I'm ghost. Oh, okay. I'm hoping he doesn't ghost me in melee on accident. I won't be mad if he ghosts me. What did he just do? He's some weird shit. Whoa! Oh, ice climbers, that's right. Oh, that did a lot of damage. Ah! I should have stayed on that hill. Shot him. Just gotta play League of Legends style. Shot him. I have 9 arrows left. Awesome. Oh my god! Good fight for the lag. That's my only proj. Shit. Are you... Bro, what the fuck? I just got out of the fights. Bruh. I'm about to just... See ya. Ah, I'm dead. I can't aim. Ah, damn it. Run for it. Don't know. That's really annoying. I got a kill. It's fine. I wasn't dropping fucking 90. If the entire household I was in wasn't using my fucking Wi-Fi at the same goddamn time on the guest Wi-Fi.